Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Nick. I'm from the United States East Coast and this is my first YouTube video, so let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be installing something on my motorcycle. See that box right there? I retaped it just because, why not? I'll open it first. So what I got is a new fender from this is from C Concepts, by the way. I think it was roughly like 160, 170 bucks or something. So this is my bike, 2020 DR650 S, I believe. And this is fucking ugly. So we gonna scratch that. So with this kit I ordered, they give you a fender, color of your choice. I got black, just to match. And let's see what else we got in here. This is taped. Sorry about that. Ooh. So we have a new brake light and tag illuminating light. Just would go up under. Oh, I don't know, I'm trying to do that. And got a new plate bracket. Okay. So here it is all laid out. And let's start taking that off. From what I can tell, guys, I need Allen keys, maybe a socket set, adjustable wrench, and then you take the seat off. You guys definitely want to get yourself a socket set if you don't have one. First, I'm going to start by removing this panel and these panels. And this one, I already loosened it up a little bit just to make this easier. And yeah. Alright, now that we got those screws out, just kind of wiggle that out. And same for this side, just kind of wiggle that guy out of there. Set these to the side. Alright, now that you got those off, you want to remove this, take a 12mm ratchet and just also, guys, this is a toolkit and it has everything you need to work with the bike, but I just didn't feel like breaking all that crap out. We'll remove this one on the other side as well. Now that we got those bolts out, you should be able to just kind of pop your seat up. And we'll set that in the garbage where it belongs. So we've got a bolt here, Allen key bolt, and then your sidebars. So I'm going to take those off. Of doing this, guys, I noticed you don't have to remove these. I have to tighten this. But it actually, the bracket is welded directly to the frame, and I did not realize that. Facepalm. So in order to remove this fender, we have to disconnect the power to these lights. So I believe it is this wire. Certainly is one of them. And one goes to the signals. So I believe it's this one. Let's see which one this goes to. Yep, that goes right to the light. You can see it moving. So let's just take that guy off there. And there you go. Now that we got everything taken off, let's just pop this guy out. I need to pull these back just a little bit. Slide that out of there. Same for this side. Slide that up. Pop that guy out of there. Now that we got this loose, we want to find the wire, which I already did. It's this one here. And we're just going to snip it here. And here. And here. Okay. Now that that's taken care of, you kind of just set that there and kind of yank that through. Don't worry, you ain't gonna break anything. Alright, now that I snipped those, pulled those out, I took a razor blade and I just spliced these and popped them off. And now I'm gonna pop these little guys off, and I have new ones for them. Okay, now that I got those off, you're going to want to strip your wires. Alright, now we got them all nice and pretty. Now we got those all set up and insulated. Okay, got those all pressed on there real nicely. Let's get rid of this ugly thing and hook up the other one. Alright, now that we got those bolts out, we can just take that off, set that to the side. Alright, just so you guys can see what I'm doing, this is the taillight that came with it. I already unpackaged it. I still have to strip those and put the connectors on, but this goes here. So let's do that. Got our bolts. Let's take 2 of these, and I'm gonna get them right there and right there. Alright, now we got them nice and tightened up. Make sure this bad boy ain't going nowhere. Alright, now that I pulled my wire through, I'm gonna strip these and put the other end of the connector on. Alright, now I got all my connectors on. Now I just gotta push these together. Alright, we got them all connected, so you're gonna wanna just pull it back. Kind of just stuff these guys in here, make sure they're out of the open. And there you go. All right, it's looking good. Now that I got everything hooked up, just gonna test to make sure it works. All right, that's a good sign. Now that that's on, it is time to throw this back on. So as before, this slides in there just like the stock one. Get that back in there, make sure that's right. It's looking pretty good. Now that we got it all hooked up and in place, let's throw all our hardware in. You have to take these brackets and just slide them on there, so let's do that. All right, now we got our brackets on. You're going to want to push this down and slide this back in. Everything's bolted back up. Now we can put our seat back on.
And yeah, one right here on the side. And this here. Make sure I'm hitting the thread. I'll tighten those up.
Alright, let's throw our side panels back on. And there we go, guys. She's all hooked up. I think it turned out really nice. It's a lot less of a bulky look there. He looks really good. I definitely want to get some cleaner looking turn signals for the front and the back here. Probably going to be doing an aftermarket exhaust. Eventually I'll get some different wheels on here and tires, but maybe Supermoto front fender. So definitely a project, but if you guys liked, then please like, comment, subscribe, and definitely going to be making more content. So thanks, guys. Take it easy.